It is difficult to maintain a positive attitude all the time in today's society. There will always be people who want to drag you down, and they will not relent until they get their way. This can be very upsetting and difficult to deal with, but Sigma males have a unique way of dealing with these kinds of people. While other males may come crashing down under pressure, Sigma males can use their unique skills to rid themselves of these people and keep on going. They frequently do so without breaking a sweat. However, this does not mean that they are immune to negative energy. Here are 8 strategies for dealing with negative people for Sigma males. Number 1. They take a stand for themselves. When negative individuals attempt to push Sigma males around, they will defend themselves. They will not stand down and will not allow the individual to walk all over them. Sigma males will not be afraid to express themselves either. When negative people begin to attack, they will defend their beliefs rather than themselves and will never allow the bully to get away with it. Number 2. They ignore them. Ignoring negative people is one of the best ways to deal with them. This may appear to be a passive method of dealing with them, but it can be very effective as well. By ignoring them, you deprive them of power and render them irrelevant. Negative people crave attention and will move on to someone else if they do not receive it. This is why, when reacting to them, it is critical not to give them satisfaction. Number 3. They disconnect. Sigma males will disengage if negative people get too close. They will withdraw from the situation and refuse to interact with the individual. Sigma males can remain calm and collected by doing so. They will not allow the person to get under their skin and will not react to them. Number 4. They maintain a positive attitude. Staying positive is the best way to deal with negative people. This may be difficult, but it is crucial. When you are positive, you are communicating that you will not allow the person to affect you. You will not be defeated, and you will continue to be strong. Sigma males excel at maintaining a positive attitude. They frequently employ this to misdirect the negativity of others. It's more difficult to be negative when others are positive, and this is something that negative people will struggle with. Number 5. They establish boundaries. Sigma males understand the importance of setting boundaries. They will not allow the person to cross their boundaries or get too close. Sigma males can keep the person at bay by setting boundaries. They will not allow the person to enter their space, and they are not going to let them control them. This will keep the person in check and make them realize they will not get away with anything. Number 6. They make use of humor. Humor is another way to deal with negative people. This can be a very useful way of deflecting their negativity and making them look like idiots. Sigma males are skilled at using humor to get rid of these people, and they frequently do so in a subtle manner. This will knock the wind out of their sails and force them to reconsider their actions. Number 7. They maintain their cool. When confronted with a negative person, Sigma males maintain their cool. They will not be affected by the person and will not react in frustration. Sigma males can diffuse the situation by remaining calm, and they will not let the person get the best of them. This is a very valuable tool that can be used to get rid of negative people. Number 8. They rely on facts. When negative people attack, Sigma males use facts to counter their arguments. They will not let the individual get away with giving false information and will hold them accountable. Sigma males are known for their logic. They will take advantage of this when dealing with negative people. They will not be swayed by the individual and will remain focused on the facts. Thanks for watching. If you like our stuff, subscribe for more motivational content. See you in the next video of The Generous.